Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the auto brightness working in your OPPO Reno 15. Wait a moment. The first thing that you have to do is open settings, and now once you are here you need to now scroll down to display brightness. Here make sure that this option is enabled. If it is, that's nice, disable it. If it was enabled, enable it and check if it works. If it works. Now when you have it disabled, turn your brightness up to 1%, enable, disable, 100%, enable, disable. Just check if it works. Try a couple of times disabling this option, enabling this back again. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to take the microfiber cloth with you. For example, such like this one. Close your phone and wipe the camera over here, surroundings. Just like this. If it should work for you, it's because your ambient light sensor needs to be clean to work. Now, let's check if it works. As you can see, it does. If it doesn't work for you still, you need to restart your phone to refresh sensors. Hold the power volume up, move the white circle to the restart and restart. This should work for you. If it doesn't, you need to now go to the authorized service and check if there are any issues with your display itself. If there aren't, that's nice, but if there are, you need to just have it fixed. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.